Bakit nyo ginagawang muna bago ma-receive yung pera?
We do this to bless whatever is inside. Pag pupunta kayo sa temple, ganito yung may ipunan nyo. So let's say you buy this fortune cookie. We bless it para mag-do.
Sige. Magkano ba yan?
20 isa.
Isang fortune cookies nga.
Dapat ikaw ang kukuha kasi fortune mo, I won't touch it.
Okay. Okay. Uy. Grabe.
Okay, let's see what your fortune is.
Sabi dito, okay lang ba gawin kang model namin ngayon?
Ay, wait. Parang I know you.
Ganap kasi kami ng model ngayon. Nakita ka namin ate. What's your name?
I'm Verino. This is my mom's business. That's why it's called Tiger Mama.
Tiger Mama.
Dedicated to my mom. Kasi we're going for Tiger of the Tiger. Kahit candid lang.
Candid.
Yeah. Fine.
Yun o. I think okay yung nakikipag-interact siya sa customer. Yeah. So,
Mas angle ko to.
as angle na yan. Sige, palit. Can you ano lang, parang portrait, smile. Hindi, okay lang. Ate, huwag ka masyay. I think you're beautiful po. Yes. May shop ba kayo sa ibang place or dito lang?
But if this all goes well, we can put up shop.
Okay, so parang testing lang to.
Yeah, testing the market.
Post ni,
Sino siya sa harap?
ano, okay lang.
Wait, can I?
Ayan, ang cute. Three, two. Okay. Can you look here? Dito sa kamay ko. Okay, that's good. Talikod ka, Miss Anne.
I have another booth, the Dragon and Friends.
Ay, sa inyo rin to.
Yes.
Oo. Parang ano? Ayan. Yeah. Ay, sige. Ay, okay. Okay lang picturean ko to? Kung makausap ka lang ng customer, ano yung binibenta mo o ganun? Ann, kung mamimili ka, ano yung nagsisimbolize sa'yo dito?
I think it would be this money tree. Now this tree would represent me getting out of my comfort zone, blooming.
Ice. That's good.